Don't let the heat get you down. Here's how I cool off in the summer without AC. This year, I hired the best AC repair company in town. They came quickly and efficiently repaired my AC, leaving me with comfortable temperature all summer long. Plus, their prices are really competitive. And the best part, they offer top-notch installation services, so you don't have to worry about any unexpected issues. Get your AC fixed now and enjoy the summer without worrying about the heat. Call JV Mechanical Heating and Air today.